subscribe the channel.
Hello and welcome to English class. Dear students, today we will learn how the vegetables describe themselves to a cook. I hope that you will enjoy the video. So, let's begin. 6.6 My vegetables. Our first contestant is cook. Hello, my friends. I am a little cook. Who are you? Good performance. Our next contestant is Pumpkin. Welcome, Pumpkin. I am a pumpkin. I am so fat. Very good. Cabbage. I am a cabbage. I have lots of clothes on my body. Nice. It's time to learn the dialogue in our mother tongue. Hello, my friends. आदाब मेरे दोस्तों. I am a little cook. मैं एक नन्हा बावर्ची हूँ. Who are you? आप कौन हैं? I am a pumpkin. मैं कद्दू हूँ. I am so fat. मैं बहुत मोटा हूँ. I am a cabbage. मैं गोभी हूँ. I have lots of clothes on my body. मेरे जिस्म पर कई कपड़े हैं. Oh, welcome, potato. I am a potato. I am your favorite one. Very good. Now it's cucumber's turn. I am a cucumber. I am slim and tall. Excellent. Yes, a chili is here. I am a chili. I am hot and spicy. Nice performance. Let us understand the dialogue. I am a potato. मैं आलू हूँ. I am your favorite one. मैं आपका पसंदीदा हूँ. I am a cucumber. मैं ककड़ी हूँ. I am slim and tall. मैं पतला और लंबा हूँ. I am a chili. मैं मिर्च हूँ. I am hot and spicy. मैं गर्म और मसालेदार हूँ. Welcome back to our show. Wow, tomato. I am a tomato. I am red and juicy. Good job. Next contestant is spinach. I am a spinach. I am green and leafy. Great. I am an onion. You will cry if you cut me. Very good, dear. Let's know the dialogues. I am a tomato. मैं टमाटर हूँ. I am red and juicy. मैं लाल और रसीला हूँ. I am a spinach. मैं पालक हूँ. I am green and leafy. मैं हरा और पत्तेदार हूँ. I am an onion. मैं प्याज हूँ. You will cry if you cut me. अगर आप मुझे काटोगे तो आप रोओगे.